I just feel like sitting in front of this camera, looking at myself like I am, laughing. Sometimes when you look in your camera, do you just begin to smile or laugh? Can't believe I'm doing this. These smoke detectors won't let me be great. They're taking my shine. I get so many comments talking about the smoke detectors are going off. I know. I hear them 24/7, 365 days of the year. Sometimes I get so used to them, I forget they're there, and I'll be like, oh, they're not beeping anymore. And then boom, there they go. It's Monday, the 20th. What are we going to do about it? We got to figure something out. If you had anything in mind that I could do to stop these smoke detectors, because I have high ceilings, so we can't reach the two that are really beeping crazy. We can't reach those two. We've tried, we've rented ladders, I don't know what they were thinking when they put them up there. I don't even know what to do. We're used to it. I've been in this house for 8 years, so, but it hasn't been beeping for the whole eight, probably the last 3 years. It's been beeping, but it hasn't bothered us because we're used to it. But if you have any ideas to help us out and you watch my videos and you get tired of hearing it and you click off, I understand. But help me so I can be a help to you, to brighten your day, to give you an encouragement, to let you know that you can make it. Do that for me, and I'll keep doing what I do for you. Have a great one. Take care. I love you. Bye.